Hello guys, we have her. Say hi.
The ugly bro.
And we got him.
The amazing.
The
Eli.
annoying Eli. And we got me, the creator. How do you feel about that, Brooke?
Why is the camera on me?
The fireworks haven't even really started yet.
What time is it?
I don't know, I'm filming the video.
So what time it is?
9:20.
Brooke, you want to tell them about your
Already
boyfriend?
started yet?
Huh?
You want to tell them about your boyfriend? Then I will.
No.
Stop. We're going to zoom in on people on boats.
That's crazy.
You're creepy.
I'm not zooming in on people, am I?
Wait, what'd you say? What'd you say, bro?
I'm not zooming in on people, am I?
I zoomed in on your face. The boat's driving slow because it wants to drive slow.
No, look. I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about that one. At first we go back and now it's going forward.
The one that I zoomed in on to check what they're doing. Hey, Eli.
What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear, my biggest fear is the Squid Games. Like, imagine being part of the Squid Games. I'd die immediately.
Yeah.
Eli, you'd also die.
I would die.
Eli, I'm gonna have to make this not for kids now.
Imagine it was like, imagine it was just all, like, imagine it was just all white cops and they didn't like to let me just
No, all white. No, they instead.
Even if they made it past.
Eli, when you pick, Eli, if you were in the Squid Games and you pick to stop the games, everyone would go on the other side. Take a football bat. Where's the fireworks? I want to see the fireworks. I'm bored. Just throw the ball right here.
I'm hungry. Give me food.
Are you shy on camera?
Yeah.
Why are you shy? Because I'm zooming in on your face.
Yes, I don't call.
And I blew lips.
You have blue lips.
Yeah, for my selfie.
You're talking about
I have different color lips.
I remember
Jump in the water.
rubber band. She took one of my rubber bands and literally tied it around her finger. Her finger turned black and blue.
Black and
We were
blue.
living in Manny's old house.
I don't know, but it was weird.
It's insane.
I want to go like do ghost investigation. Brooke, search up. Brooke,
Yeah.
search up. Is there any haunted places in Maryland?
Yeah, there is.
Of course there is. There's everywhere there's a haunted area.
I want to go to one. I want to.
Okay, I'll tell you.
I'll take you, Brooke and Eli, with me.
I'll tell you like 1200.
The PBE series.
No, hold up.
What?
Go to the bottom of the Chesapeake Bay, and then you'll be. That's the most haunted place in the world.
Okay, a place that I can actually go to without putting like my my life's already gonna be in danger if I go to a haunted place. I'm saying like somewhere that's above water.
Top of that bridge.
Top of that.
Top of the.
Is that your boyfriend doing that, Brooke?
Yeah.
I mean, you said he's near there.
No, it's over there.
He's over there. You're giving part of the story out.
No.
Fine, Brooke. We'll make a confession.
Yeah, later.
When we're in the car, I'll get a short up, and we'll start confessing. Did you just say that on camera?
No.
Is that your boyfriend?
You're not.
You're not gonna see.
Isn't he like over like on? Didn't he? Isn't he near like over there?
Wait, is that him? Wait, they should have noticed. That's not where they
Yeah, of course. That's him.
No, those are the.
Ah! Sorry. It's okay. Oh! That one. Oh! It sounds like a. Oh!
There's gotcha.
It does something. Bro, I'm getting this all on camera. Bro, I'm watching this video when I get home. It's gonna be just like lights go boom. I don't know, Brooke. I just dropped your name on my YouTube
I
channel.
know.
I mean, I probably already said it actually.
Probably did.
You wanna drop your boyfriend's name?
No.
I mean, I know his first and last name. I know his first and last name. I can just drop it now.
No.
You wanna say your full name?
Oh.
I'll tell. Her name.
No, your name.
I'll tell.
No, not her name.
I'm gonna leak her boyfriend's name.
Leak only your name.
Eli. He lives in 123 Elmo Street.
Okay,
I don't think that was on purpose. I think he was saving.
yo, that's your boyfriend, bro. No, he's shooting the fireworks. Oh! Got it on this side and this side.
That's awesome. That one wasn't to the earth pounder. That was crazy.
Oh, this is a. What was that?
Imagine we can't say wow 3 times or we lose.
Wow! Wow!
Oh, look at the waves. That's from that big boat. Look at the waves now.
Okay, Eli, I have to say.
Why does it look like 1,000 submarines?
Eli, I'm saying wow 3 times. Is that okay?
Yeah, wow, 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 wow.
Wow! 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 Yo, we did pick a good spot.
Awesome.
Oh, that was big.
Oh my god, you're just trying to blink that.
They're shooting it over there and over there. I don't know what to film. How do you feel about the fireworks right now, Brooke?
I'm annoyed because everybody won't shut up.
How do you feel about the fireworks right now?
Awesome!
That deserves 5 minutes.
Boom! Stop booming.
Wait, head up.
Boom! 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 There's one more.
One more.
And wait, 2 more. 2 more.
That one was actually.
A little more.
They're trying to light that on fire.
We're trying to get the bridge.
They're trying to get the bridge to
Unflamed.
break. It's like they want to kill like 1,000.
I got the camera pointing this way, but I got my eyes pointing that way.
Well, look at that one. That was huge.
Well, I'm gonna see it on video.
Wait, they haven't shot from that area in a long time. That one.
I saw it though, like Oh, that one was big. That one looked like coronavirus. Yo, that was on the bridge.
That one was big.
So, bro, what would be your opinion if everyone just stopped talking for a second?
It'd probably be more enjoyable.
Really? But we're gonna make it more new. Oh my god! That deserves a boom.
Can you stop booming?
Wow, that's amazing.
Eli, bro, I'm not saying racist jokes in my video. Okay, that's enough. Okay.
That deserves a big black boom.
Eli, I'm gonna cut your voice. I'm gonna cut your voice out the video. I caught it. And this is amazing.
I like those ones, how they don't have color to them. That just have no color. And they're like the biggest ones. The ones that have no color are always the biggest. See, that's what I mean.
I feel like a different one was
Oh,
bigger.
yeah, that one's... Oh, look at that. Oh, that's gonna be deep. Boom, 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 boom.
Can you stop booming?
I think these are a lot of firework professionals.
Or just some people that found fireworks
No, but they are like, they're shooting. Yeah, look.
in direction.
Wait, hold up. Didn't you see that one just get shot at? Two of them? Like one of them shot up in the air, and then the other one curved and hit them together. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, and then they do that.
I wonder how many fireworks.
I'm going to zoom in on that because that's amazing. It's gonna be harder to know when the fireworks is coming.
On the
though.
4th of July, people like to get drunk a lot.
Eli,
See what I mean? The no colors start to get the biggest. Huh?
That one had pink in it.
It had a little bit of pink.
stop booming. Oh, that was a.
Oh my god. They're really trying to shoot one of those cars down.
I really
They're
don't.
trying to blind some people. They could be blinding people. See what I mean? They're really trying to blind people. I understand why
Eli, you've already said that. Think of something better.
they're trying to kill people.
Said that. Yeah, there's nothing better than killing, blinding.
See what I mean? Either they're trying to run somebody off the road or like trying to knock down the bridge.
That was a better one. No. Shoot a bow. It's not close enough. It's not close enough for a bow.
But imagine them.
My hand's getting really tired. My hand is getting so tired.
My ears from the side. Why does it have to be so low?
Because people are, like you said, Eli, they're drunk.
Isn't it illegal to do fireworks after the 4th of July
No.
in some states?
Well, probably not in Maryland.
Some people are not allowed to do it. In Florida, they can't do it.
Do you know if they can't do it in Maryland?
I know they can't. Well, I know they can't because Maryland has.
And we're watching fireworks right now. he loves fireworks. It just, I know, but he loves it. It's just, he loves fireworks. It's just,
Look at that one. It's kind of like light. You can't really see it from the cops. Stop it.
no, Eli, I don't want to stop it.
Not that. Stop.
I know, I still don't want to stop.
It's really where they see the people putting money in.
You leaked their name. No, you leaked his name.
Oh. But they don't know who it is.
I mean, they know your name.
My brother
Lives up
They just,
Elmo Street.
stop saying 123 Elmo Street.
You know, I'll get a better one.
No,
1, 2, 3.
Batman Street. I would always took Cookie Monster.
Or New York.
New York Street's probably a thing.
But not the 1, 2, 3. It's starting to get side.
It's not.
I know it's getting annoying.
It's getting annoying, but it's fun. I got some videos from there that were blind at the camera. Like literally, I think the camera had some stuff in the back. You can see some of the fireworks, but they don't really get as high. Oh! Your Lorax?
I'm the Lorax guardian of
Let it grow, let it grow. We all live inside Home Depot.
No, we're inside our love.
Home Depot's better.
So I said, let it
Those little other fireworks. Oh!
football game. No. 4th of July, that would have been awesome, right? And then the fireworks would be shooting.
And whoever won, they're like the colors of the fireworks would be their team colors.
Yeah, they do that in the Super Bowl.
I'm pretty sure I made didn't I make like a live, I went live with you, but it got taken down.
Oh yeah,
I started stream sniping us.
Yeah.
Even though it was my own channel.
Ask for a hint. Don't be like Eli. Tell me she doesn't give me. She's not giving me. Okay. I'm not gonna ask my mom to give you a hint for your Christmas present. Why?
Because you gotta find out when it's Christmas.
Why am I so dark? Like you barely can see me.
This camera can see you fine. Well, not this side of your face, but this side of your face where the fireworks happening.
But I'm fading away to it.
Yeah, no, I actually can't see you. Okay.
We're gonna have to show me that video. Oh, look at that one. That was beautiful.
Eli, they're all beautiful.
Not all of them.
Don't discriminate.
Look at that one. That one's ugly.
Don't discriminate.
Why didn't it kind of look like a bow? Like,
Don't discriminate.
okay, that's beautiful.
It is.
Oh, see the ones on the bottom? They're not really that good.
Stop discriminating.
This is a green and red doesn't match.
Stop discriminating.
Look at that one.
It. Stop it, Jim.
It sucks. Look at that one. It looks so. I'm
Guys, his fake name is Jim. No, his fake name is Eli. His real name is Jim.
I'm literally trying to block. Hey,
What?
Imagine they did one more for good luck.
It better not be like I went to a firework yesterday. I posted a video about it. It did pretty good, but it kept going and going. Okay. Yeah, it's over. So goodbye guys. Brooke, say goodbye.
Bye.
Wait, no, it's not over. They're just shooting fireworks.
But I know that's not like the big ones. Alright, Brooke, say goodbye again.
Goodbye.
Alright, goodbye guys. Bye!